In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show the best move on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show the best move on chess.com. And of course, if you want to do that, we would like to go and analyze a game that we already played. Let's say, for example, this one. And once we are here, click on game review. That should open a new tab with the game review here. So of course, on the analysis, you'd like to have, okay, let's just go back to review. Make sure to enable this show best move. And now when you proceed with your analysis, you will see the best move. As you can see, you played this move, but the best move is this one. You played this move, but this move is the best one. As you can see, they're telling you that the best move. Of course, you proceed and it's all going to be the same. That's best one, that the best one, that the best one. Unless you make the best move that now they will not suggest for you any best moves then. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and goodbye.